What's going on, gang? It's Marathon Vending. I'm back again, guys, with another cash collection video, another vending video, guys. And hey, if you want to start your own vending business, but you don't know how to do it, hit me up on my Patreon, guys. Description be down below, guys. If you have a small amount of money, then the vending business may be something that you can do to earn semi and passive income, guys. So hit me up on my Patreon. Description be down below, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and thank you to my 34 subscribers, guys. I remember when I had 0, guys, so you know, we're moving up slowly, guys, but we're still moving, guys. So just hit me up, guys, on my Patreon if you want to know more about the vending business and how you can get started, guys. So I'm out of here. Peace and blessings. I'm out. Sweat in at PF, baby. It's Marathon Vending, baby. Health is wealth. Yeah. What's going on, guys? Just wanted to chat for a minute. If you've been watching my videos, guys, you know that I've been heavy on the honor boxes, guys, and not so much on the bulk vending. But guys, the honor boxes is so easy, man. It's just like, they're not heavy. They're a piece of cardboard you put in the shops, and then you go about your business. But guys, I know that I've been big on honor boxes, but now it's time to get some more of the bulk vending machine, guys, because hey, it is a better business model than the honor boxes. So guys, I'm gonna be back on the bulk vending and honor boxes as well. I just got like seriously like invested in the boxes, man. But guys, I'm gonna be back on the bulk vending. Guys, the goal is to have 20 of the bulk vending machines, 20 honor boxes, and 20 snack boxes, guys. Those are my numbers that I want to reach now. Like I said, guys, I got 6 honor boxes locations. I got 3 snack vending honor boxes locations as well, and I'm trying to add more. So guys, I'm gonna be back on the bulk vending, guys. It's time to get 20 of those, and I'm gonna be working on getting that vending machine, guys. Drinking the snack machine, I just have to find a place, and that's gonna be that, guys. So just giving you an update of what I've been doing, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. My arm is getting tired from holding this bad boy. All right, guys, peace.